Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with another video. So this is going to be an update on laptops for streaming on Twitch. I did a video on this previously about 6 to 8 months ago. So I just want to give you guys an update video, and there are some laptops on sale, so I want to let you know. I want to say thank you to those who have subscribed, and thank you to those who are here for the first time. I'm going to go over the minimum requirements of Twitch and for Elgatos, if those of you that are using Elgatos. And I'm going to tell you what it means in English, because not everyone understands computer language. So I'm going to let you know what you need. I'm going to show you the minimum laptop that you can get, and the maximum, the middle end, and the maximum end. All right, so let's get into this. So the specs that you need for Twitch is an i5 4th gen CPU. That is the main brain of your computer. A 4th gen CPU is equivalent to today's 8th gen i3 processor. So that is the base end of the I tiers in Intel language. Okay, you need 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's all you need for Twitch, and you need Mac OS or Windows 7 OS or better. Today's laptops are Windows 10 and higher. I mean Windows 10. Most of them are Windows 10. There is no higher yet. So you'll be good to go. All right. Now for the Elgato, you only need 1 gigabyte of RAM, and you need a CPU that is 2.0 gigahertz or higher. The laptops that I'm going to show you, most of them are 2.3 hertz or better, so don't worry about that. And all right, so for the laptops on this list. All right, so to start on the lower end, we have a $500 laptop here. This is an Intel i5. This is an 8th gen processor. I would recommend going with the i5 versus the i3 personally, because the i3 are usually dual core and the i5s are quad core. So this is going to be a little helpful for you when you're streaming, and it's going to process your stream way better. Now this laptop here has an Ethernet port. That is very essential, because streaming via Wi-Fi connection, upload and download speeds aren't always consistent. Whatever your Ethernet port says, that is going to be the speed is going to be your upload. So when you're streaming, it's not going to be stuttering, and you're not going to have that many issues. Now this does have a hard disk drive, so your programs are not going to boot up as fast, but that is not an issue because you care about streaming more so than doing other tasks. Can you do video editing on this as well? Yes, you can, but please remember that this is a lower end model, so you're gonna have to have a little more patience with working with this type of laptop. All right, so now let's get into the middle end of the laptops. Okay, so when I say middle tier, I say anything between $750 to $1,000 mark. So this is $800. This is a 13.3 inch Dell laptop. This is a 2-in-1. If you want to carry this around, it is going to be fairly light for you. Okay, so this does have 128 gigabytes of flash storage and 256 of solid state drive. So you have a little over roughly 400 gigabytes of storage on this device, more like 300 some change, because you know some of it goes to the OS. Anyways, so this has a Ryzen 7 CPU chip, so that is awesome. That is 6 cores on your laptop. It does have AMD Vega 10 graphics, so that's gonna help, especially if you're someone that's going to want to do video editing. This is going to be the perfect laptop for you. Now this one does have, rough battery life. It is like about 4 hours, but when you're streaming, you're going to be plugged in. Also, this laptop doesn't have an Ethernet port, so you would have to get an adapter for USB to Ethernet, or you can just stream on Wi-Fi, but just please make sure you change your bit rate when you are streaming so you don't have so much lag on your stream. But this laptop is a perfect fit for someone who wants to be able to do video editing, travel with it, and other things. All right, so now we're going to get into the high tier laptop, and let's get into this. All right, these are for those of you who are in the high rollers club. Okay, this is an Asus ROG 15-inch gaming laptop. This is over $1,000. As you see, it's $1,150. It has an Intel Core i7. This does have 6 cores on this chip. It is 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it does have dedicated graphics, which is a GTX 1060. This is a hybrid drive. It has 1 terabyte of hard disk drive storage and 128 gigabytes of solid state drive. That is awesome because your programs will be able to load faster, and that is a good plus. The keyboard on this is backlit. It does have RGB keys also, and this also does have an Ethernet port, because I have to stress the Ethernet port will make your stream look so much better because you want the bitrate to be consistent. Okay, so these are the 3 laptops that I have for my updated version. I really appreciate you guys for stopping by. The links will be in the description down below. I will have Amazon affiliate links. Those do help the channel. Some of them are cheaper on Amazon and some of them are cheaper on Best Buy. So I will have both links for you guys so you guys can check it out for yourself. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you loved it, please hit that sub button. I'm on my way to 200 subscribers. Thank you guys. Ajaxx G out.